YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is a suction side pool cleaner. We're going to show you guys how to completely rebuild as well as do some basic quick fixes on the cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's. This is their Navigator V-Flex. So we are going to show you guys how to actually remove the bottom throat on the cleaner itself. This will actually give you guys access. So say you guys have a bigger piece of debris in here that you're not actually able to get access to. This will allow you guys to do that real basic, simple, quick fix on pulling this out and being able to reach in there without fully having to strip the cleaner apart to get access in there towards that turbine. So only tool that you guys are going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's pretty much the only tool that you'll need for this entire cleaner. So if you guys are doing anything else for this cleaner, pretty much all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty simple. So the screw that you're aiming for is when you flip it over, you'll notice that there's a line of 3 screws here. You're going to go for that center screw. So the center screw is going to actually give you the option to then pull this entire throat section out. If you start going at these other screws, it doesn't really help you remove this, but it will help later to be able to actually get access deeper inside the cleaner. But I'm going to go ahead and just remove this one center screw. And as you guys will see, once you do that, you'll be able to actually pull out the entire throat orifice here. This will actually give you guys an opportunity if you guys wanted a different throat, which I don't think these ones actually come with a different throat option. I don't believe you can. Not similar to like the Pulvernugan or the Aquanauts. You're not going to actually be able to change a throat option. It's just that one throat. But as you guys can see, now you guys got access in here. You can actually see the turbine, spin it around with your fingers. So then that way, if there was a piece of large debris stuck in here, you guys would be able to actually use more of your fingers to get in there rather than trying to fish it out through the actual throat on the bottom of the cleaner. So really simple. Once you guys clear the debris, whatever you need to do, go ahead, you flip it back out. It actually has certain slots on the frame for it to slide right back into. So you're just going to push it down flat again and then make sure that you got your screwdriver set the right way and go ahead and tighten it down. Really, really simple. Just want to show you guys how to get a quicker access in there without actually having to tear the whole cleaner apart. So again, if you guys want to know how we got where we're at, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We're going to have these parts available for you guys directly on the website. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and be sure to like the video. We really appreciate it. So until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.